Have you ever wondered how your smartphone could make you richer? Or how the latest tech innovations are reshaping the way we manage our money? Get ready to dive deep into the captivating world where technology meets personal finance. How has fintech transformed the financial industry? Say goodbye to conventional banking norms and embrace the era of fintech, where cutting-edge technologies breathe new life into financial services. In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, a powerful force has emerged: fintech. It's not just a buzzword. It's a revolution that's reshaping the way we interact with money and financial services. But what exactly is fintech? It's not about replacing traditional finance. Rather, it's about infusing cutting-edge technology into the financial sector to elevate it to new heights. In a world where banking services were once reserved for the privileged few, fintech swoops in as the hero, democratizing access to financial services for all. No longer are there barriers preventing individuals from participating in the financial ecosystem. Fintech dismantles these walls, making banking services accessible to the masses. Think about it. 13% of US adults were once deemed underbanked. But now, thanks to fintech, they can fully engage with financial services without breaking the bank. Fintech doesn't just stop at accessibility. It's a game changer when it comes to affordability too. Gone are the days of exorbitant fees for basic financial transactions. With fintech at the helm, the cost of participating in financial services plummets, freeing up resources for individuals to invest in their futures rather than lining the pockets of financial institutions. And it's not just consumers reaping the benefits. Financial institutions themselves are experiencing a digital renaissance. With fintech solutions, they're equipped with secure systems, streamlined operations, and unprecedented efficiency. Just look at the numbers. The global fintech industry's revenue soared to staggering heights between 2017 and 2023, with projections reaching a jaw-dropping $79.38 billion USD by 2023. And the user base, it's set to skyrocket, with forecasts predicting a whopping 4.81 billion users by 2028. The evidence is undeniable. Fintech isn't just a trend, it's a force to be reckoned with. So, let's uncover the awe-inspiring intersections of finance and technology that are reshaping the financial industry as we know it. Number 1. Budgeting apps, a guide to smart money management. Picture a world where managing your money is as effortless as scrolling through your favorite social media feed. Here's where budgeting apps step in as your trusty sidekick, transforming the daunting task of financial planning into a seamless journey of empowerment. These apps boast interfaces so intuitive, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Visualizations of your spending habits breathe life into your financial landscape, guiding you through your monetary maze with clarity and insight. With each swipe and tap, you're not just tracking expenses, you're sculpting a future of financial abundance. Beyond just tracking your spending, these apps are your partners in progress. Set your sights on your financial goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a home, or simply building your savings nest egg. Number 2. AI and personalized financial advice. Introducing the realm of AI-driven personalized financial advice, where every recommendation is as unique as your fingerprint. With artificial intelligence at the helm, personalized financial guidance takes center stage. Imagine algorithms sifting through mountains of data, teasing out insights tailored specifically to your preferences and aspirations. From investments to saving strategies, AI has your back, offering actionable insights that elevate your decision-making to new heights. It's not just about the present, it's about the long game. Long-term investing isn't just recommended, it's practically mandatory, with the power of compounding working silently in your favor. Index long-term strategies become not just an option, but a cornerstone of your financial journey. Number 3. Digital wallets, the future of payments. With a mere tap of your smartphone or a flick of your wrist, you effortlessly navigate the landscape of payments, loyalty rewards, and beyond. Digital wallets stand as guardians of your financial well-being, encrypting your data and offering a fortress against fraud. These marvels of modern technology aren't just about convenience, they're about empowerment. Imagine effortlessly syncing your loyalty programs, earning rewards with every purchase, and streamlining your entire financial life with a single tap. Whether you're grabbing your morning coffee, hopping on public transport, or indulging in some retail therapy, digital wallets seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. Number 4. Mobile banking and apps, revolutionizing financial management. No more waiting in lines or navigating through complex websites just to check your balance. With mobile banking apps, managing your finances becomes as easy as sending a text. These apps don't just redefine convenience, they revolutionize it. Seamlessly transfer funds with a tap, receive real-time transaction notifications, and take charge of your financial destiny wherever you are. Say goodbye to the old days of tedious banking tasks and embrace the amazing power of mobile banking apps to transform your financial life. Number 5. Data security in personal finance apps. As you traverse the digital landscape, it's imperative to know that your sensitive information is shielded by the strongest defenses imaginable. Here lies the crux of the matter. How do these companies fortify their walls against digital invaders? From multi-factor authentication to cutting-edge encryption protocols, each layer of defense is meticulously crafted to thwart any potential breach. Picture a world where your privacy is sacrosanct, where your financial transactions remain your own closely guarded secret. It's not just about protecting data, it's about safeguarding your trust in the digital realm. Number 6. Automation in personal finance, a gentle guide to efficiency. Automation is a guide to efficiency in personal finance, streamlining tasks like savings transfers and bill payments. Integrated technology enables individuals to effortlessly cultivate healthy financial habits. Financial education apps play a pivotal role in empowering users with knowledge, offering interactive lessons, simulations, and resources. They cater to individuals seeking to enhance their understanding of personal finance, promoting a culture of informed financial decision-making. Number 7. Financial education apps, empowering users with knowledge. Imagine effortlessly navigating through your financial journey with the power of automation by your side. No more tedious tasks of transferring savings or remembering bill due dates. With integrated technology, you can transform the way you handle your money. These innovative tools aren't just about numbers, they're about empowerment. Through interactive lessons, simulations, and a wealth of resources, they arm you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your finances. Number 8. The impact of technology on financial inclusion. Gone are the days when access to financial services was limited by geographical boundaries or socioeconomic status. Technology, the superhero of financial inclusion, is tearing down barriers faster than a speeding bullet, ensuring that everyone, regardless of background, has a seat at the financial table. Remote villages where traditional banks feared to tread are now bustling with financial activity, all thanks to mobile banking. And let's not forget about the unbanked population. Technology swoops in with innovative solutions, offering them a lifeline to financial services they never thought possible. Number 9. Smart home devices and financial management. Imagine your home not just as a shelter, but as a hub of innovation where smart devices dance to the tune of financial efficiency. From thermostats that regulate energy consumption to lights that dim with a simple command, every gadget becomes a maestro conducting a symphony of savings. But it's not just about cutting costs. It's about harmonizing our financial decisions with sustainability. The fusion of technology and eco-conscious finance illuminates a path where every penny saved echoes a commitment to a greener planet and a brighter financial future. Number 10. Online investment platforms, democratizing investing. Gone are the days of feeling intimidated by financial jargon and hefty entry requirements. Now, with the click of a button, you can dip your toes into the exciting waters of the stock market, thanks to features like fractional shares and intuitive interfaces. These platforms aren't just tools, they're enablers of dreams, champions of financial independence. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a complete novice taking your first steps towards wealth creation, online investment platforms have got your back. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. Until next time, stay curious and financially empowered.